So here we have a 2005 Volvo XC90, and it had the same problem that a lot of them get with the rear bearing on that counterbalance. So I've got the counterbalance out. It does come out with the engine in place if you knock it forward and get it out of the back race. You can see some of the tools I've had to use. Front bearing's kind of history too on this one. Did a lot of damage up here. I lost the lining on one of the chain guides. A lot of little pieces of plastic down in the pan will have to be vacuumed out. The front gear for that counterbalance is pretty messed up. Rear bearing parts are there. The breaker bar for getting some of those bolts, especially the lower pulley bolt, that damper, and the head bolts are seized on there. You might not be able to get yours off without anything less. Valves are all bent. I got a little light inside this cylinder. You can see all the intakes are bent. All the exhausts were okay. So this is a real involved job. I don't think I can get that rear head off. So we'll see what I can do about those valves with various kinds of prying tools. Don't know if it'll ever pass emissions with this engine in there after it's fixed, but I've managed to seal up one of the valves. By just using a little ingenuity, you can see some of the tools I've got here for this crazy operation. This is the second day since starting. I do not want to pull this engine. I don't really have the equipment. There's just too much spaghetti to deal with. The plumbing is just crazy on this car. I've taken some unnecessary stuff off, like the headlights and this core support, but I just wanted easier access. I don't know what else to tell you guys, but you can see what I've done, and if you absolutely need to fix yours, you're crazy, but go ahead. Good luck. Bye.